Hello, welcome to Breakpoint. So today we're going to look at what is stage 2 uptrend. So before we dive into the details, let's first understand why it is important. So stage 2 uptrend is a phase where big investors and institutions usually start investing in a stock. But why do they choose the stage? So for that, let's first understand what stage 2 really means. The idea of stage 2 uptrend stocks comes from Stan Weinstein's stage analysis, which explains the 4 stages in a stock's life cycle. The first one is a stage 1. In stage 1, it is a sideways movement. It creates a base. There is no clear trend as the price moves in a box. The second stage is the stage 2 uptrend. In stage 2 uptrend, the price breaks out that particular box and then start to move upward in a strong momentum. In stage 3, it's at the top and then the uptrend will slow down and also it will create another range there like a box. Then the stage 4 comes. In stage 4, it's a downtrend. The price movement will start to fade and then it will clearly show a downtrend move. So now why do big players start investing in stage 2? So there are several reasons. So the primary reason is there is a trend confirmation. So when the price breaks out from the stage 1 phase, it clearly says that the accumulation phase has ended and it's a beginning of a confirmed uptrend. The second one is high liquidity. During breakouts in stage 2, usually what happens is there is a high volume which gives a high liquidity for the large investors to jump in. So when the liquidity is high, what happens is it helps the large investors to exit and enter from a stock easily. Third one is momentum. So big investors always look for 3 things. One is relative strength. The stock which they're going to invest should outperform the benchmark index. Suppose you are going to invest in an ABC stock and that should actually outperform the performance of Nifty 50 index. Then that you can call as a relative performance high. Next one is earning upgrades. That means if the overall earnings of the company is an uptrend, then that is a positive sign. Next one is a price leadership. So price leadership, you can clearly see if the stock price is actually outperforming its sector or industry when compared to other same companies in the same sector, then you can clearly see that stock is outperforming and it's a leader in that sector. That is another positive sign for the good stock. Then the next one is fundamental confirmation. In stage 2, many stage 2 breakouts happens after a positive earning or a leadership change or a strong sector performance. So the alignment of strong fundamentals and the technical charts gives investors more confidence. Also, the stage 2 is a place where when the media and research analysts and several other general markets start to notice a stock, and that's making it a perfect time for smart money to enter. So how easily we can find a stage 2 stocks? So for that we can use Breakpoint app. Breakpoint app, if you come to the positional scanner, we can see all the stocks listed here. Like we are tracking 2000 above stocks. So when you come to that page, you can click on the stage 2 button and it will list down all the stage 2 stocks which are currently in 495 symbols. If you want to further filter it out to find the best stocks or strong stocks, then you can go to the MACD trend and then click on the bullish. So it will give even more stronger stocks. Then we also need a confirmation on the volume. Volume, you can click on the strong bullish trend. Now the stock list has come down to 56 symbols. Again, if you click on the ADX trend, click on the bullish and then it will list only 19 symbols. And if I click on again strong bullish, the list will come down to just 8 symbols. So if you look at the first one, you can clearly see the movement from the base. It has given a movement of 26%. Now we look at the next one. Okay, that also given a good move from the base, which is like 33%. We look at R power. Let's see. R power from the base, you can see around 30%. So this is how you use the stage 2 feature in the Breakpoint to filter out the stocks. So I'll be adding a link with regards to the Breakpoint features in the description. I will also add the link for the subscription where you can see the Breakpoint plans and the features listed. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.